Hey there, history enthusiasts. It's Ancient Narratives. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're all about bringing awesome stories from way back to life, whether it's thrilling biographies of real-life heroes or imaginative fictional tales. History's never been this easy and exciting. With every story we unfold, Ancient Narratives invites you to connect with the past in ways you've never imagined. Without any further ado, let's get straight into our video. Welcome to our documentary, Albert Einstein, the Genius of Relativity. In this captivating journey, we will delve into the life, accomplishments, and profound impact of one of history's most brilliant minds. Join us as we uncover the fascinating story of Albert Einstein, a man whose revolutionary ideas reshaped our understanding of the universe and continue to inspire scientific exploration to this day. Albert attended a Catholic elementary school in Munich from the age of 5. When he was 8, he was transferred to the Luitpold Gymnasium, now known as the Albert Einstein Gymnasium, where he received advanced primary and then secondary school education. Age of 26, Einstein produced a series of groundbreaking papers that changed the face of physics forever. We will examine each of these papers in detail. Number 1. Special theory of relativity. Einstein's theory proposed that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers and introduced the famous equation E is equal to mc squared, revealing the equivalence of energy and mass. Number 2. Brownian motion. Einstein provided the first rigorous explanation of Brownian motion, confirming the existence of atoms and molecules, an idea previously disputed. Number 3. Photoelectric effect. By explaining the photoelectric effect, Einstein demonstrated that light consists of discrete particles called photons, challenging the prevailing wave theory of light. Number 4. Mass-energy equivalence. The derivation of E is equal to mc squared paved the way for harnessing the power of the atom and significantly impacted the development of nuclear technology. Building upon his special theory of relativity, Einstein embarked on a monumental task to extend his insights to include gravity. This chapter will explore the years of arduous work that culminated in Einstein's theory of general relativity. We will break down the core concepts, including the notion of spacetime curvature caused by massive objects like stars and planets, and explain how this curvature affects the motion of objects within it. We'll also explore the famous bending of light during a solar eclipse, which provided experimental evidence supporting Einstein's theory. As quantum mechanics emerged in the early 20th century, a lively debate between Albert Einstein and Niels Bohr ensued. Einstein, a proponent of determinism and causality, clashed with Bohr, who championed the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics. We will explore the key arguments of the Bohr-Einstein debate, focusing on Einstein's famous quote, "God does not play dice with the universe." Despite his reservations about quantum mechanics, Einstein's contributions to the field were invaluable. There are two huge errors in the way many people have interpreted this quote over the years. People have wrongly assumed Einstein was religious, believed in destiny, or that he completely rejected a core theory in physics. First, Einstein wasn't referring to a personal God in the quote. He was using God as a metaphor. Einstein, of course, believed in mathematical laws of nature, so his idea of a God was at best someone who formulated the laws and then left the universe alone to evolve according to these laws. Physicist Vasant Natarajan wrote in an essay. Einstein himself even cleared up the matter in a letter he wrote in 1954. I do not believe in a personal God, and I have never denied this but have expressed it clearly. If something is in me which can be called religious, then it is the unbounded admiration for the structure of the world so far as our science can reveal it. The second half of the quote, "does not play dice," is often misunderstood. 2. It's not an affirmation of destiny. The phrase refers to one of the most important theories in modern physics, quantum mechanics. It describes the weird behavior of tiny subatomic particles. It's also the guiding theory that led to critical technologies like nuclear power, MRI machines, and transistors in computer and phones. It's true that Einstein never accepted quantum mechanics, but the reason was much more nuanced than a flat-out rejection of the theory. After all, Einstein won a Nobel Prize in 1921 for describing the photoelectric effect, a phenomenon that led to the development of quantum mechanics. The reason for the quote is to express how bizarre quantum mechanics is as a theory. While most of the universe is deterministic and measurable, quantum mechanics says there's a world of tiny particles behind everything that's governed by total randomness. Einstein was not only a scientific genius but also a passionate advocate for social justice and humanitarian causes. This chapter will shed light on his activism, including his vocal opposition to war, advocacy for civil rights, and involvement in various peace and disarmament movements. We will explore Einstein's efforts to prevent the development of nuclear weapons, culminating in his famous letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning about the potential of atomic bombs and calling for international cooperation. Einstein was uncomfortable with his fame. He told one biographer, "In the past, it never occurred to me that every casual remark of mine would be snatched up and recorded. Otherwise, I would have crept further into my shell." But Einstein recognized that his fame made it possible for him to serve as a powerful advocate for his deeply held political beliefs. A passionate humanitarian, he emerged from his shell to argue for the protection of human rights around the world. Many of Einstein's political ideas seemed simple: prevent war through cooperation among nations, treat everyone equally. But he knew that the problem is to get people to act on these ideas. He supported the creation of a Jewish homeland in the Middle East but stressed the need for cooperation between Jews and Arabs. He worried that the United Nations did not have the authority to prevent war. He emphasized the need to safeguard civil rights and freedom of expression. Einstein's views on other issues, including socialism, McCarthyisms, and racism, were controversial, so controversial, in fact, that the US government considered him a possible communist spy. Yet Einstein never backed down from his commitment to the principles of freedom and justice. "We have to do the best we can," he remarks. "This is our sacred responsibility." The McCarthy era. Einstein in 1952. Einstein supported a number of political causes that branded him a radical in the eyes of many in the US government. He wrote of his support for socialism, for example, and described capitalism as economic anarchy. Such statements, combined with his advocacy of nuclear disarmament and civil rights, made Einstein a highly controversial figure in the 1950s. When the House Committee on UN-American Activities and Senator Joseph McCarthy were accusing many of being communists. Indeed, the Federal Bureau of Investigation amassed a file with almost 1,500 pages of information on Einstein's allegedly subversive political activities. Einstein never backed down from his beliefs, however, and always emphasized the importance of intellectual freedom. "I have never been a communist," he said, "but if I were, I would not be ashamed of it." Einstein despaired over the effects of McCarthyisms. The current investigations are an incomparably greater danger to our society than those few communists in our country ever could be. These investigations have already undermined to a considerable extent the democratic character of our society. It's about time the American people got wise to Einstein. We will reflect on Albert Einstein's lasting legacy. His theories have withstood the test of time and remain fundamental to modern physics. We will discuss the impact of his work on subsequent generations of scientists and explore how his ideas continue to inspire research and innovation today. From the discovery of black holes and the confirmation of gravitational waves to the development of GPS technology, Einstein's influence permeates many facets of our lives. Einstein's work laid the foundation for much of the research into the evolution of the universe as well as modern technology, including lasers and computer chips. His enduring legacy will continue to inspire generations of great thinkers. The world remembers Einstein as a world citizen because he believed in universal peace. When there was the rat race for becoming atomic power, he was worried about the aftermath of the bomb. He was really a world citizen who was concerned with humanity. Albert Einstein's life and work are a testament to the boundless power of human curiosity and the indomitable spirit of scientific exploration. Through his remarkable achievements, he expanded our understanding of the cosmos, challenged established beliefs, and championed the pursuit of knowledge. As we conclude this documentary, let us honor the legacy of Albert Einstein, a man who not only unraveled the mysteries of the universe but also encouraged us all to question, explore, and dream. May his story continue to inspire generations to come. And there you have it, another incredible tale from the past brought to life. We hope these stories, whether biographies of real heroes or fictional adventures, have ignited your fascination for history. Ancient Narratives is your time machine to the past. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and join us for more exciting tales. Until next time, keep learning and keep embracing the magic of history.